What's the meaning of chick flick? Chick flick. Chick flick.
Chick flick. Chick flick. The term chick flick refers to a movie that is specifically targeted towards a female audience and focuses on themes that are typically associated with women, such as romance, relationships, and emotions. These movies often include a romantic plotline, a female protagonist, and a happy ending. While some people view these films as being overly sentimental or lacking in substance, they remain popular among many viewers, particularly women. Overall, the term chick flick describes a genre of movies that cater to a specific demographic and explore issues related to femininity and relationships.